Hi everyone! We have an exciting experiment for you this week. Check this out. This is Janet from the Brantford Public Library with your STEAM challenge. This week we're going to create a snowstorm and we're going to experiment with some chemical reactions. Snowstorms can be very dangerous with all that blowing wind and snow. Today we're going to stay cozy and warm inside while we create our snowstorm in a jar. Here are the supplies you will need today. Vegetable oil or baby oil, white acrylic paint, glitter is optional. You will need a mason jar and some tablets of Alka-Seltzer. Now we're ready to make our snowstorm. First, we'll break up an Alka-Seltzer tablet into about 4 or 5 pieces and start by dropping one at a time into the jar. Then watch what happens. Watch as the paint bubbles rise up through the oil, making a snowstorm in our jar. The paint water mixture is denser than oil, so it stays on the bottom of the jar and the oil floats to the top. Since our oil and water do not mix, they always separate into 2 layers. You can see more about this in our rainbow density video. Next, we add our Alka-Seltzer tablet that has sodium bicarbonate or baking soda and citric acid in it. When it mixes with the water, it forms bubbles of carbon dioxide, which then float through the oil to the top of the jar. These bubbles carry the paint water mixture with it, and when the bubbles pop on the surface of the jar, this mixture then sinks back down to the bottom of the jar, which results in our swirling snowstorm. My challenge to you this week is to create your very own snowstorm in a jar. And when you're all done, you can put a lid on your jar and bring it out again another day for more snowy fun. Thanks for joining me for our STEAM challenge this week. For more fun activities, please check out the home-based activities page at brantfordlibrary.ca. We'll see you next time.